Yes.
Think flies like a trainer.
You're enjoying yourself. I see that. I've watched you fly the whole time.
Flies like a trainer.
Yeah. They're a lot of fun. Okay, taxiing out.
Timer cleared.
Okay, taking off.
Gear up.
Now Tango from the right. Yeah, I specified from the right.
Yes, you did. Doesn't sound good. Yeah, finally.
Beautiful. Landing right.
I'm going to do a pass over you.
This is a full landing right.
Okay. I can't hear shit. I can't hear shit.
Huh?
I can't hear shit.
Yeah.
Please. Fast, low pass from the right. You didn't hear it? Too bad. Anybody? He'll be clear. Okay.
That is sticking good.
Come on, dude. Really? Fast, low pass from the right. Whoa, hey! Dude, I just said fast pass and you're launching already?
30 seconds.
Yuri, I just yelled fast pass. You didn't hear me?
Is that what his name is?
Yeah.
I get him on video.
Okay, let me try again. Fast pass from the right. Fucking shit.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right, I gotta land, guys. Landing from the right. Landing from the right.
Got it.
Landing flaps. Braking.
Down and safe.
All right. Lock both places. Okay. Taxiing back.